Yo, what up, guys? My name is Pao from Pao Tattoo TV, and welcome to my channel. So, nandito tayo ngayon para interviewin yung nag-iisang magandang boss dito sa balat na
Pinakamasikap.
Ayun. This time, guys, this is not related about tattoo. This is related about on what we are doing here in BPO. I would like to introduce my guest first.
No, I'm Kayla. I'm a trainer in the BPO industry and have been in this industry for more than 5 years now and still counting.
Wow.
And yeah, I'm still enjoying it.
I do have some questions. What made you choose BPO?
Actually, this was not my first choice back then. When I came back from the US, I was expecting to be part of the hospitality industry, but sadly, given my sexuality, they're not yet accepting that kind of norm here in this country. So my friends had given me this option to be part of the BPO where our talents can be showcased. Hence, I'm here right now
Wow.
with everybody here in this program. So
If you have, or if you are a member of LGBTQ,
yes,
you
Plus,
are
plus,
welcome
plus.
here in BPO. So
Correct.
try to apply. And what are the things that BPOs help you?
I think more than the financial aspect of it, because in comparison to what other industry can give, I think BPO would be one of the highest industry that can give a good package for its employees. But more than that would be the development, not only at work or in my career, but also me growing as a person, as an individual. And the activities that this industry gives the employees would be a holistic approach in terms of growth and success. Diba?
Yeah.
Pang Miss yun. Gusto niyo yun?
Totoo talaga siya.
Yes.
Kasi hindi lang naman, hindi, yun, pag na-apply ka sa BPO, hindi lahat nagbibigay ng baba. Most likely, malaki talaga magbigay si BPO.
Correct.
Especially if you are a finance needed. Tama ba yan? Hindi ko alam kung
If that's the program that you're going to
exactly,
do, that route in finance.
Hindi ko nga alam paano ako nakapasok dito eh. Kasi
ako nga rin eh. Headhunters lang to.
Pero yun guys, kung kayo ay naghahanap ng stable career, try nyo dito sa BPO. Kasi marami namang accounts na hiring dito, marami kayong pagpipilian. Tsaka, especially kung nangangailangan ka talaga, financially stable naman talaga ang BPO. So, hanggang dito na lang guys. Maraming salamat kay Boss Kayba. Ang boss namin naman si Kayba.
Yes.
Alright. Thank you guys and see you on my next episode.